SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of top 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their state-of-the-art technology and skilled team of professionals, they offer high-quality scanning solutions for various industries. SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of 3D scanning, catering to the diverse needs of clients across different sectors. One of the reasons why SCON Design stands out among other 3D scanning service providers in Marathahalli is their commitment to delivering top-notch results. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning, and strive to provide the best possible outcomes for their clients. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality inspection, or product development, SCON Design ensures that their scanning services meet the highest standards. SCON Design India Private Ltd also distinguishes itself with its cutting-edge technology. They have invested in advanced scanning equipment that allows them to capture detailed and accurate 3D models. Their team of experts is skilled in operating these devices and utilizing the data obtained through scanning to create comprehensive 3D models. This technology not only enhances the efficiency of the scanning process, but also improves the overall quality of the final output. Another key factor that sets SCON Design apart from other 3D scanning service providers is their focus on customer satisfaction. Overall, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as one of the top providers of 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Their dedication to delivering high-quality results, investment in advanced technology, focus on customer satisfaction, and supplementary services make them a preferred choice for businesses across various industries. Whether it's for architectural designs, automotive parts, or medical devices, SCON Design has the capabilities to meet the diverse needs of their clients and deliver exceptional results. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of top 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled team, they offer a wide range of scanning solutions to meet the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, SCON Design has the expertise and technology to deliver accurate and detailed 3D scans. One of the key advantages of SCON Design's top 3D scanning services is their ability to capture intricate details with high precision. Their advanced scanners can capture even the smallest features of an object, ensuring that every aspect is captured in the final scan. This level of detail is crucial in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and medical, where precision is paramount. In addition to their expertise in capturing detailed scans, SCON Design also offers a range of post-processing